This is Nemanja Matic. Oh, it's a lovely ball. James, good save. Really good save by John Ruddy, that. It's a great run. Good goalkeeping by Ruddy. Traore. Trying to go outside. Mata, the cross is good. Great touch from Jimenez, what a turn! Oh, and just couldn't beat Romero. Brilliant from Raúl Jimenez here. Look at the three Manchester United defenders go the wrong way, but Romero didn't. Let's hit Matic, it's Jimenez. Pedro Neto scores! Pedro Neto beats Sergio Romero. VAR is going to have a look at this. Well, it's a mistake by Fred. Is that a foul? Pedro Neto put it away. And the verdict is handball. Handball by Raúl Jimenez. And there it is. Martial. Through to Mata. Saved by Ruddy. And a good night, the Wolves keeper. Through the legs of the defender, actually, from Juan Mata. They're quite clever with their corners, Wolves. This is a variation on a theme. Into Neves, curled in, Doherty! Hit the post! Flag was up anyway. Offside, Matt Doherty here, as it was curled in beautifully by Ruben Neves. Oh, now that would have been a very tight call had the ball gone in the net, but it didn't. Fred looking for that run. And again, Ruddy denies James. Same run from James, same result. Martial. Williams into James, lovely play. James, oh, it's close. Great play here by the youngster. Fainting away from Matt Doherty. And Maguire. It's a promising moment that for Wolves, and Harry Maguire snuffed it out. This is Martial, and Mata's ahead of him, and Martial has played in Juan Mata, and Mata scores! The flag stays down. It's a lovely finish from Juan Mata. It's a lovely goal. Really smart finish here from the Spaniard, and Manchester United break the deadlock in this third round tie with a goal of real quality.